back the scammers because the truck with the $100 million I won didn't show up.
Hello.
Hello, is this Mr. Phillip?
Yes, this is Mr. Philip.
Yes, this is Mr. Campbell, the winner of the $100 million prize extravaganza. I sent the $10,000 US dollars yesterday, and I've been waiting all day on the truck to show up with my money, which is the $100 million you said was going to show up today, and I haven't seen it yet.
Me blow. Hey, yo, Vigo.
Yo!
Yo, Mr. Campbell come back and say truck with the $100 million to show up yet.
Me blow, how are this, man?
Yo, Mario.
Wait, hold on, he's still up on the phone?
Yeah, man, he's still there up on the phone, man.
Let me chat to him.
Hey, see me.
Hey, yo, Mr. Campbell, what you say?
Yes, I haven't seen the truck arrive with the $100 million.
Hey, yo, Mr. Campbell, no money no show up, dog. No, that, yo, thanks for 10 grand still here. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
Yo, me say
Dude, I quit my job.
But they really think that truck with $100 million power, you know?